Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Urotone Tablet, weak coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Earth Life Sciences Private Ltd. Urotone Tablet. Uses. Urotone Tablet is mainly used in the treatment of urinary retention, a condition where a person has difficulty emptying the bladder completely. Benefits. Urinary retention occurs when there is poor coordination between the nerves and muscles of the bladder, making it difficult to pass urine. Urotone Tablet helps by stimulating bladder muscle contractions and improving bladder function. This allows urine to be expelled more effectively. For best results, it should be taken exactly as advised by your doctor. Side effects. Like all medicines, Urotone Tablet may cause some side effects in certain individuals. These can include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps, increased salivation, flushing, sweating, headache, or a sudden urge to urinate. If any side effect becomes severe or persistent, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Urotone Tablet in the dose and duration prescribed by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Do not chew, crush, or break it. This medicine should be taken on an empty stomach. How it works. Urotone Tablet works by activating muscarinic receptors, which are part of the nervous system. These receptors send signals to the bladder muscles, helping them contract and push urine out. This makes the medicine useful for people who have difficulty urinating due to nerve-related problems, surgery, or certain medical conditions.